Attorney Ben Schwartz from the law firm of Schwartz & Schwartz. Today I want to talk to you about something you're probably going to go, oh God, what a boring subject, but it actually isn't a boring subject. It's interest on loans. There was a case that came out of the Delaware Court of Chancery yesterday. The name of the case is Gloria James versus National Financial LLC. In this case, National Financial LLC is running basically a payday loan business. The name of the businesses, you may have seen them around, is Loan Till Payday. And they're giving people loans out in the community and charging incredibly exorbitant high interest rates. And I want to talk to you about this because I don't typically get involved in cases involving loans as an attorney, but I do handle Delaware personal injury cases, Delaware car accident cases, Delaware slip and fall injury cases. And in these injury cases, our clients oftentimes come to us and ask us to authorize them to get a lawsuit loan. If you sit at home during the daytime and watch TV, you might see commercials from Oasis or from J.G. Wentworth. You might remember the TV commercials where the people are hanging out the window saying, "It's my money, I want it now." Those are lawsuit loans. They're kind of like payday loans, but instead of getting a loan now and then paying it back when you get your paycheck, you get a loan now and you pay it back when you get your personal injury claim or case settlement. The thing that these two types of loans have in common with each other is that they both involve extremely high interest rates. And so we always have this conversation with our client in our personal injury cases when they come to us and they say, hey, I want to get a lawsuit loan, I need money, I need to pay the rent, I need to pay the light bill. We always have this conversation that goes something like this. Get the loan documents. Let's figure out what the effective interest rate is, because that's the cost of capital. That's the cost to you of getting that money. It's not really a question of how much you're getting, it's a question of how much are you paying back. And if you're getting $500 but you're paying back $1,000, then why would you do that? Why wouldn't you go to a friend or a family member, borrow $500 and pay back $550 or something like that? Get yourself a reasonable amount of interest. In any event, what got me thinking about this is the Gloria James versus National Financial case. That's a loan till payday case. And it turns out that the interest rate that they were charging Gloria James was over 1,000% per year. So basically the deal was they loaned her $200. Over the period of 26 weeks, she's making bi-weekly interest-only payments of $60. And then the last payment at the end of the 26 weeks is another $60, and then she has to pay back the $200. So the court figured this out, that it was actually over 1,000% interest. It might be the worst deal that anybody's gotten on any kind of financial loan in Delaware recently, and the court said you can't do this, you can't have this loan, it's invalid. In fact, not only did they invalidate it, but they found that it violated federal law, and they awarded Gloria James her attorney's fees and a small amount of financial reimbursement as well. I want to tell you that as an attorney, I see this type of stuff all the time. And I think that the takeaway, the lesson to be learned is if you need money, you need to get a loan, that's fine, but you need to ask the hard question. The hard question is, how much am I getting? How much do I have to pay back? And what is the APR? In this case, National Financial, the people that worked at Loan Till Payday told her, oh, well, it's not a loan that's going to last for a year, so what's the annual percentage rate got to do with anything? It's not valid. That's BS. An APR is a percentage rate over the course of a year. It doesn't matter if you have the loan for a year or not. It's a standard way of figuring out interest so that you can determine if it's a good deal or not. Don't get scammed. Don't get ripped off. I'm Ben Schwartz. If you have a personal injury case and you're thinking about getting a lawsuit loan, send me an email and let's talk about it. Ben.schwartz@ schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching my video. I hope that you agree that interest on loans can sometimes be a little bit interesting. Have a great day and keep watching.